How do I sign out of my Apple ID on my device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through a simple, step-by-step process on how to sign out of your Apple ID on your device. This is an essential skill if you're planning on selling or giving away your device, or if you simply want to switch to a different Apple ID. We're going to cover this for both iOS devices, such as your iPhone or iPad, and macOS devices like your MacBook. Let's get started.
Signing out of Apple ID on iOS devices.
On your iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, the process is pretty straightforward. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Open the Settings app on your iOS device. The icon for this app looks like a set of gears. 2. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings page. This will take you to the Apple ID page. 3. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find a red button labeled Sign Out. Tap on this button. 4. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone if it is enabled. Enter your password and tap on Turn Off. 5. You will then be asked what data you want to keep on your device. Choose accordingly and then tap on Sign Out in the top right corner. 6. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Sign Out once again to confirm your action. And that's it. You're now signed out of your Apple ID on your iOS device.
Signing out of Apple ID on macOS devices.
Now let's talk about how to sign out of your Apple ID on your macOS device, like your MacBook. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. It's the icon that looks like an apple. 2. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. 3. In the System Preferences window, click on Apple ID. 4. In the left sidebar, you will see your Apple ID. Click on Overview, if it's not already selected. 5. Now, on the right side, you'll see the Sign Out button. Click on it. 6. You will be asked to confirm your decision. Click Sign Out again to confirm. And just like that, you've signed out of your Apple ID on your macOS device. And that's it for our tutorial. Now you know how to sign out of your Apple ID on both iOS and macOS devices. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, signing out of your Apple ID should be done carefully, as it can affect your access to various Apple services and features. Thanks for watching and happy teching!